Are you tired of feeling your income is out of control? In 2016, I discovered a system that changed everything for me. Today, I work from home, just using my phone, some data, and a willingness to share information. No boss, no stress, just real recurring income. This isn't a scam. It's not illegal. It's a reliable way to earn income every single month, whether you have a job or not. And here's something special. For the next 18 weeks, you stand a chance to win 7,000 every week in our lucky number 7 draw. Send me a WhatsApp or comment freedom below and I'll send you the info. Take the first step today towards financial freedom.